Ayan, magandang hapon. Ito po kami sa may tapat ng Senior Center sa likod ng Fairfield Library. Kasi meron pong park dito. And pag may time ako, i-rate ko po mamaya. Samantala, pasyal muna tayo. Okay. Ayan, puntahan natin yung may fountain. Wow! Ito po ang likod ng Fairfield Library. Ayan. Ayan dyan. At ang katabi niyang fire station. Ayan. So, okay, sige. Tingnan natin yung maliit na lake. A man-made lake.
You hear the birds chirping?
Not too close, huh? Not too close.
Daddy, how deep is that?
That's 5 feet. Ang dali ka lang. Not too close. Just this way.
No.
Stay here.
Bird.
Huh? You're scared of the bird?
No, it's gonna eat.
Huh? It's gonna eat you? No.
No, Daddy, what's that in the water there?
Huh?
What's that log?
That's not a log. That's their resting place.
Oh. But who throw it in there?
Let's go. Okay. Let's walk.
That's a boy. Huh? How does that? Huh? How does that swim? That's a good.
You want to swim? Hanilak mo ba?
Swim with the duck. No, they're not ducks. Mommy, look at those green ducks with a head. Those are ducks. Mommy, those are the ducks. Huh? Mommy, do they bite? No. But what are the green ducks then? Daddy, what are the green ducks with the head?
Huh? I think they're males.
Huh?
Males.
What's male?
Boy.
It's a boy. It's a boy?
What are you doing? Not too close.
Mommy, those are geese. Mommy, those are geese. Mommy, those are geese.
Whatever.
Mommy, the white one is the seagull.
Okay, it's wet now. It's wet. Not too close. No, it's wet.
Daddy.
Chelsea, don't be scared. Don't push me. Chelsea. Oh.
Ew, poopy. Ew.
That's the library over there.
Look how they fly. Look at the one with the one leg on it. Oh, one leg.
One leg. Oh. Have you seen a duck with one leg?
No. Pinapahinga niya lang yung isang paa niya.
I see it.
Okay, you saw the other leg, huh?
And I see that tiny bird. That's their mom.
Tiny bird.
That's see what that's his bed. But that's
Okay.
too strange.
Okay, you sit down here. Oh, baby.
A chair made of books?
It's wet.
Mommy, there's a bee. Look at it. It's me. I can't sit there. It's so wet. Now,
Oo nga, dyan naman tayo nagdaan dati. Galing na tayo dyan eh, siyempre. Ayaw na natin bumalik. Sugod mga kapatid!
hello, Daddy. Do they bite?
Look at their feet. It's orange.
No, keep playing. No. Look at that big one! Look, that's a big duck than that. Look at those, they're sleeping.
Sleeping ducks. They're hiding their head. Up, up, not too close. Stay here. Stay here, you can see it from here. Rainbow. Okay, let's cross the bridge. Hold Hearty.
How deep is that water?
Get away from the birds. Ano kaya biglang nabali yung tulay na to? Ba't ako?
So they grab the water under the water and then they spray it up. They grab the water and spray it up.
Why?
So it can look like a fountain. Look, Mommy, look! Mommy, look, look, look!
Liliparan.
No, Daddy. No, that one.
Yeah, mga bird poof. Jose, Jose. Oh, stay here.
Daddy, this is the best.
The blessed what?
The best. Mommy, look. He's having a power. What is this? Wow, really? Come on, feed her. Do I look like ducking from the hole? This? Oh, whatever. Don't let me want to eat. Feed her. Do you want to use your power? I have no power.
Okay, sige. Civic Center Grounds, Fairfield City, California. Ayan. Dito lang po ito sa may city, malapit sa amin. Ayan.
Look at the fountain.
So kung pupunta kayo dito, Madali lang ang ang parking. Pwede sa kalsada, pwede rin sa allotted parking lot nila. And then malaki ang grounds, pwedeng mag-jogging or ewan ko kung picnic, wala akong nakikitang table. Pero yung iba dito lang nauupo sa grounds. Kaso lang maraming ipot ng ibon. Ayan. So gusto ng mga bata yung lugar, nagustuhan nila. It brings smile to their face kasi may fountain. Kaya lang walang mga playgrounds. So kung i-rate ko po mga kapatid is 7 lang po ang rating. Madali ang parking, walang problema, walang bayad, at saka gusto ng mga bata, masaya sila. So marami nakikitang ibon, and yung iba nga nakakahuli pa ng isda dyan. So rating po ang 7 natin mga kapatid sa Civic Center Grounds. Ayan.
No, 91.
Yan po ang rating natin. Maraming salamat.